Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are doing the first episode of My OC for January. So today we are going to look through the first round of OCs that you guys submitted on Twitter and Instagram, but if you guys didn't make it in time for this one, you still have time to potentially get chosen for the next episode. So if you would like to submit an OC to be redrawn by me, go over to Instagram or Twitter and make a public post and put My OC, the hashtag, in your post. Don't send them to me directly. If it's in like a personal or direct message, they won't be seen. They have to be under the hashtag. So if you want to make it in the next round, go over there and post them. So let's go ahead and jump in, look through all the OCs we have already and see which ones we want to draw today. All right, so how this is going to work is I was thinking I'm going to draw probably 5 today. So we'll pick a couple from Twitter and a couple from Instagram, and then we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and start on Twitter. So there was a lot of really fun entries. I'm really digging this pink hair character, and I love the twirl of the hair, so that's a pretty strong maybe. Oh, I don't know, there's so many good ones. You guys had like so much creativity and so many amazing OCs, so it's gonna be tough for me to just pick a few, but I am gonna do a bit of a variety. We're gonna do some humans, probably some creatures or animals or some type of character. So let's go ahead and pick, let's do 2 from Twitter and 3 from Instagram, and then next time we'll swap them. All right, I'm thinking, it's tough. It's tough. Or maybe 3, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it up to chance. Maybe 3 from Twitter, maybe 2 from Instagram. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll see what I'm drawn to. I do want to do this character. I really liked this one, so that's a for sure one. And this one is by Claire WD. Really like this one. Gonna do that one first. I don't know. This is so hard. Did really like this one too. Could do the animal version or the human version. I like this one too, and this one, and this one. There's so many good ones. I don't know. This is tough. There's a lot of good ones. Could push myself and do something cute and cartoony. I haven't done that in a while. And then we're getting into the old posts. Okay, I think I'm gonna let's do this one. I like this one too. I still love this one too. Fuck, maybe I shouldn't limit myself. Maybe we should just pick a bunch and see how many we finish today. I'm gonna do this one, and let's do this one. I like the pink hair way too much, and the costume was really fun. All right, come on, I just want the image. All right, we're gonna start with these 4, and then we'll go through, I should refresh. Yeah, there's 2 new results. I see you guys have just posted yours. God, you guys, everyone in the community is so talented. There's so many good ones. This is like such a hard decision for me because like I want to draw all of them. Maybe I'll just have to do this more frequently. Maybe we should just make this like a monthly thing. Oh, that one's so cool. I love the hair. And I like that one too. Too many cool ones, And then there's a ton over here too. Oh, that character's cool too. And these are all cool. There's too many to pick from. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with these 4. I really like these characters, so we're gonna redraw these in my style and see how they look. All right, let's go ahead and start with this one. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in and get started with these OC drawings. So like I said, I was super excited to jump in and do this. Like, you guys had a lot of amazing OCs. It made this a really difficult decision, and if your OC did not get chosen, please don't take it personally. I just kind of picked ones that I was attracted to in the moment, and it also doesn't mean that yours is completely off the board. We're going to be doing another OC video in about, I don't know, 2 weeks or so, and then I'm planning on doing these more frequently because I love involving you guys in my videos. Like, we already have the involvement with the monster mashes, and then I take your guys' suggestions for the 100 Dragons challenge, but then this is kind of even like a further involvement where I get to see into you guys and like what you draw and what you like, and kind of just an insight into the characters and creatures you create, and then I get to kind of have fun interpreting them in my style. So don't worry, there's gonna be more of these, so if your OC wasn't picked, please don't be offended. Like, it's nothing personal against your guys' OCs. It's just these ones I was really attracted to in the moment. So, you know, take a chill pill. Don't worry. I'm going to be doing more OCs in the future. But, you know, let's go ahead and jump in and talk about this first OC. So this is from Carmile TV. I'm sorry if I butchered your username. You guys know I'm terrible at, you know, reading usernames. And this is of their character, Carlise. I believe that is how they told me to pronounce it during the Twitch stream of this, but that was a few days ago, so my brain could have probably wiped it from existence. But either way, this guy is a really fun and bright and awesome character. So I got a little bit of insight on the character. He's based off of the holiday of Valentine's Day, and I thought that was super cute and awesome, and I did really like the bright colors, and the costume design is actually like really great. I liked the asymmetry of having the little spiky shoulder pad thing, and I did like all the little bits of hearts. I took a little bit of creative liberty and added a heart to the bottom sole of the shoe, since we didn't really have a reference for what the bottom of the shoes looked like, and in my pose you saw the bottom, so I was like, let's put a little heart. I think that would be pretty fun. And this character was just really fun to draw. I just imagined he would really like posing as a magical girl, so I did the little like peace sign, like magical girl default pose, and that was really fun to do because I don't really draw a lot of feminine characters as much. Even my females that I draw, especially for like Fox Among Hounds and other things that I'm drawing on the side, they tend to be a lot more masculine and a lot more masculine in their poses in general. So I was like, let's push myself and try some more like feminine kind of cutesy stuff, and it's turned out great. I really like this character, and this character was also really fun to draw. Lots of personality, lots of pops of color, and then just the costume was just so fun and something that I probably wouldn't draw as much, so it was nice to kind of push myself and try something different. Specifically though, I know that I would probably draw similar boots because I love drawing boots, but I never would have probably done pink and white with spikes and bedazzles, you know what I mean? So I just had fun with this one. I cut loose, I let loose, and I was really surprised. This was a good drawing day when I did these. So with that one done, we jump in to the next OC that's by Fated Destiny, which is also at nweber09 on Twitter. And this one is an OC, which is a shifter. So we have the human character and then what she shifts into. So I really liked both designs. At first I was going back and forth in the Twitch chat of like not knowing really which one to do, because I was like, well, I could do the human, but we did just draw a human and I haven't drawn a creature yet. So I'm like, I could do this like wolf cat like demon thing, and I'm like, oh man, I don't know which one to do. But I decided, you know what, let's just do both, because I liked the designs of both of these so much that I was like, let's do an excuse to draw something I like and just do both of them. And this one was a lot of fun to do. I just got really cool, like, and I'm sorry, Fated Destiny, please don't be offended by this, but I really got cool, like, Shigo Asami vibes from this character, and both of those are some of my favorite characters from shows, and I just loved how kick-ass she looked and really looked like she would, like, punch you in the face type of thing, and I knew I had to draw her because I wanted to give her a really intense, cool look and a cool pose, and then what she shifts into, like, you know I have a soft spot for, like, creatures in general, and this one with like the really bright greens and the really cool body proportions and like the blackish gray stripes and all the little extra details. I just really liked the design of the creature. And it was funny, like actually while I was drawing him, I'm like, or not him, while I was drawing the creature version of her, there we go, the little horns, I was like, I didn't even see them at first, and I looked while I was really analyzing the character, I'm like, oh, it has little horns, and I got so excited for some reason. But this one was a lot of fun to do, and I kind of pushed myself on the pose. I've been trying to do different and interesting human poses, because I tend to kind of go to certain default poses when drawing any type of human or like an action pose for humans, specifically like certain ones for women, certain ones for men. So I was like, I should really push myself and try a pose I'm not as comfortable with. And I think it paid off. Like, she looks really cool in front of her shifter self. And in that pose, she looks really badass. So I was super happy with how this one turned out. I think I also really liked this character because she had such a cool and interesting side shave thing going on. I loved the big chunk of hair on one side. Since I kind of do that with my own hair, I just really liked that. And then her costume was really cool. So awesome work, Fated Destiny, on, I think you pronounced her name, Desiree. She's a really cool character, and I love what she shifts into. Overall, really cool design, and she was really fun to draw. Thanks for sending her in. All right, so for these next ones, guys, I had a couple of things I wanted to address. First and foremost, this one from Claire. I really loved your character. This is from Claire WD4. And I'm sorry that the first half is gone. My footage became corrupted while I was recording. So my first initial part of this, the sketching phase, completely lost. But your character was super fun. And I think I just had a thing for doing like kick butt girls for this episode, because we had Desiree earlier, and now we have your character Claire, and she's like really fun and kick butt, and I loved her design, and she's such a cool, like, I'm assuming bobcat, maybe? I'm not sure for sure on like which major cat, but she kind of looks bobcatish. But I love her design, and it was fun to do the ripped vest and then the ripped jeans, and just interpreting your really fun and poppy cartoony character and putting it more into my style. So thank you for submitting her. She was really fun. I don't know what it is, but I just really like drawing the kick butt girl characters for this episode. I think it just kind of happened. I was just attracted to those ones in the feed, and I decided to draw them. And for the final drawing, we have from Gregory, or also oh geez, I'm gonna butcher your name. Montgomery, there we go, I can read. And again, I don't know what happened with this recording. It was very jumpy. Like, for some reason, my recording software like was just dropping frames, and I didn't know it was. But we did get the full recording. It just sometimes jumps around. But this was a really fun guy. Good job on the character design. Like, I liked the blades on the head, and how like intense and demonish this guy looked. So really cool design. He was a lot of fun to do, and I liked your addition of making him like super hardcore with all the little like blood on the claw tips. And then your jacket design was actually really fun. I really liked the segmentation of the whites and the grays and the blacks. It added a really nice design element to his overall look. So great job on this design. He was a lot of fun to reinterpret. So wonderful job. And I mean, he's just a kick butt little demon man. So really cool work. And it was a lot of fun to draw. All right, guys, and we are all done with these OCs. We have 4 really amazing and really original OCs. You guys had so many different ones that you submitted, and I tried to get a couple of different skill levels, like ones that looked more beginner and ones that looked more professional, I guess. And I just loved the diversity you guys had. Like, it was just awesome. And all of these were like really fun to do, and they were just really, really cool to draw and interpret in my style. So if you guys would like to participate in any future KMI OCs, make sure to post on Twitter or Instagram under the hashtag, and I'm planning on trying to make this a more consistent thing. I would love to keep doing this and making your guys' OCs and trying them and drawing them. So if you guys want to participate, make sure to post them in the hashtag, and I think I'll try to make this like a monthly thing. But for sure, we have one more coming up in 2 weeks, so make sure to send yours in so that I can draw them in this upcoming week. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And thank you guys so much for the support of the 3 years. Again, this was kind of our 3-year channel anniversary, drawing a bunch of OCs. So I can't believe 3 years has already gone by. It's pretty crazy. But thank you all so much for the support. Thank you for stopping by. And if you aren't already, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make new art videos every week, ranging from OC drawings to monster creation to my 100 Dragon Challenge. There's a lot going on in this channel. And I would love if you just joined our fun little art community. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.